Brunswick Aces, an alcohol-free distillery based in Brunswick Street in Melbourne. Today I'm here with Sav, and we're going to make up an alcohol-free cocktail. All right, man. So, what cocktail are we going to make today?
Alright, today I'm going to be going through our Goodness Grace, one of our most popular on our menu.
Okay, Goodness Grace. So, what is in this?
We've got a spiked watermelon sugar syrup.
Yep.
We're going to add through. We make up a delicious coconut milk and rosewater blend as well.
Yep.
Give us some nice creamy notes. And here we're going to use a Western Australian spirit called Ovant Grace, which is where our Grace name from.
Yes, Ovant Grace. So this is alcohol-free as well?
Alcohol-free.
Amazing. Okay, awesome. And why are we using this one today?
This one has some really nice floral accent notes, comes through. Mixing with the watermelon and the coconut really brings out a really full-bodied cocktail. You'll never know it's non-alcoholic.
I'm excited for that. So like, when I heard of non-alcoholic, I was just like, not about it. I did try this sapiir. I love this one. I actually really like the hearts as well. And I do agree with you. You actually cannot taste the difference. And it's also really good actually if you want to as well add it into your alcohol cocktails as well for good flavour.
Extra punch.
Yeah, exactly. Awesome. And before we start, man, I just want to say, what is going on behind me?
Right behind us now is our non-alcoholic distillery. This is where we produce all of our sapiir ranges, so our spades and our hearts blends,
yep.
As well as we prep all of our ingredients fresh every week to get all of our cocktails perfect to the customer every single week. So we've got some lemon marmalade for our Brunswick cocktail currently on the stove at the moment.
So good as well.
All those flavours coming through the bar every day.
Yeah, we were just literally saying so when you're obviously cooking everything up, the flavours are going to be thrown around the room and just smelling delicious. So good. Add to the experience. Alrighty, so let's start off this cocktail.
We're going to start off with the base, Ovant Grace.
Ovant Grace. Okay, so
one.
How much is this one?
30 mils of that guy.
30
Straight
mils.
into our glass.
That's the big side. And into our shaker glass.
That's the one.
Damn.
Beautiful. Please for me. There we go.
I love it when I hear that it's a shaking cocktail because I'm really bad at stirring.
Like, so as long as you stretch beforehand, muscles out. Now we're going to go for some of our fruity notes. We're going to do a spiked watermelon next. This guy we're going to do 60 mils, so two of our big guys right here.
It's really nice. And how'd you make this one?
So we buy all of our ingredients fresh. We thankfully have a really good fresh produce store next door. We get our fresh watermelon, dice it all up, chuck it in our juicer, then we spike it with a little bit of sugar, a little bit of citric acid as well, just to cut through, give it a little bit of extra kick as well.
It looks really nice. I just love that colour.
We're going to see that at the end, that nice coconut and red mix coming through. Right, beautiful. Next, we give some more colour. We're going to go for our coconut milk rosewater blend.
I'm guessing that's this.
That's that guy right there.
So coconut milk rosewater blend. Wow, it's really cold as well.
It is, yep. Got to keep it fresh. Got to keep it chilled.
Keep it chilled.
Lovely. So
Like
same again. We're going to do 60 mils.
60 mils.
Nice and easy.
I feel like what? It's just timid.
That's timid. A little bit thicker. It's going to add those creamy notes to your cocktail.
And I guess as well, like you don't have to kind of look out for how much alcohol you're putting into your cocktails, because I know it's a thing, you know, with the cocktail you don't want to make it too alcoholic, because then
it. We don't want to give everyone a
lose
long
their
arm.
mind.
With our cocktail ingredients, with mixing spirits together and not worrying about is this going to leave someone not being able to walk out the door.
Yeah,
and
actually,
that sort of stuff.
and just overpowered with that alcohol flavour too, I think. Like
Definitely.
Because that flavour is so strong.
And with a lot of the non-alcoholic spirits as well, the way they have distilled them, you're getting so much of the alcohol feel without having that heat from the ethanol.
Yeah.
You're still getting that same experience.
Yep. And what you were saying as well, Seth, that you guys off-site, you actually do have an alcoholic range as well.
We do. So of our hearts and our spade blends, we do have a 40% ABV version of our 2 blends.
Yep.
We distill them in the same way, so we can match our flavors exactly from our non-alcoholic blends to our alcohol blends. So whether you're a drinker or you're not a drinker, you're going to get the exact same experience with our products.
That's awesome. That's great, yeah. Really inviting space as well. So.
We want everyone to be included, whether you're a drinker, you're sober curious, we want everyone to have an atmosphere and a venue to be able to enjoy that same social ability that everyone gets with drinking.
I love that. It's awesome.
Lovely.
Alright, so the next ingredient.
One more to go. We're just going to add a little bit of a citrus just to cut through and balance out our cocktail. We're just going to add 20 mils of our lime juice.
20 mils of lime juice, so...
We'll give you a fresh one.
I was gonna say,
They do get a little bit milky sometimes. We'll give you a fresh one.
I'm not trying to clean it. Alright, cool, awesome. It's already in there anyway, I guess, but yeah. Alright, so just a little bit under it, I'm imagining, so
it.
20.
Perfect.
Okay.
Love it. For me, I'll steal yours as well.
Yeah.
Right. That's our base right there. Now comes the fun part. We get to add some ice.
Yep. Just 1 scoop.
Let's go 2. Let's get it nice and chilled. Nice. Now we've got our stainless base.
On top.
Right on top. Remember, give it a bit of a knock. And we shake.
Yeah.
A little bit of both, a little bit of up, a little bit of low. Lovely.
That's it.
Right, flip her around.
Bang.
You've noticed it's probably got a little bit stuck. That's it. You already know what to do. A little bit of a knock.
I always get scared of it. There you go.
Lovely.
And that's just, it sticks well because it's cold.
Exactly that. Ice has chilled the whole glass and the metal down, so that metal's contracted a little bit. Created a nice seal, so we don't get cocktails going everywhere. Beautiful. Got our Hawthorn strainers.
Yep.
Right on top.
Yeah. Let's go. And then is this just a pour and
Exactly.
on the serve? Epic.
Let's,
Okay.
before we do that, let's just put a little bit of
Ice?
ice in our glass as well.
Keep it cold.
That's it. 1 scoop to do.
It's like my 2 scoops will be a 1 scoop.
It's just practice. It's just practice. Beautiful.
Look at that. Okay.
And we pour over.
Little mixerini, and here we go. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. Let's get better than mine.
That was
So,
amazing.
master, novice. But like, oh my goodness, it looks so cool. This one looks epic, man.
Got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's one final step.
Oh.
We've got to make this thing look pretty.
Okay. I garnish.
Got to get our garnish on.
Garnish it.
So
Alright.
we dehydrate all of our limes and our oranges here on site.
Yep.
So we have a dehydrated orange with this one.
Yep.
A little bit of a mince freak just to get some freshness.
I think I might have a little bit more in here. I'm just gonna shake it all out.
Squeeze a little in there. We've got some garnishes for you prepped and ready
Thank
to go.
you. So we have an orange square.
Yep.
And how did you do it? You just place this one in?
Yep, just slide it in on the edge of the glass. Just chuck a little bit of mint behind it. You'll get that fresh mint nose on the nose as you take a sip. It's delicious.
Alright. There we go.
Nailed it.
Okay. Thank
Well
you.
done.
Cheers, man.
You're welcome.
I feel like I failed the end of that, but that is so beautiful. It's amazing. I always try my drinks there, so let's cheers and
Please.
let's try it. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Cheers, guys.